For a brand new Google Ads campaign, is it better to start with full budget or start with lower budget and slowly raise uh, it up as campaign grows? So yeah, the question is good. And in case if you're asking me, is that are you going to start with full budget? We can allocate a budget, but I or even no one is going to recommend you to start with the full budget unless and until you are seeing the results. So you can allocate the budget, but I do not recommend to start with full. Okay, what you can do is you can use that allocation for next month, but unless and until you are seeing what's working well for you, it's not a good idea to start with the whole budget. Or in case if you ask me start with the lower budget, we are going to do experiments. I don't know what's your reach, what's your target market, what's your target country, what you are selling, what's your USP, who are your competitors. There is so much data to work on. I'm not, I'm confused right now on what to say on. But let's start. Let's assume that it's a generic campaign, and if you ask me, my answer is going to be the same, that I do not recommend to start with the full. We are going to start with the slow, look on the results and expand slowly. Let's say, for instance, for the first 2 weeks, I recommend to go with a slightly high budget. You must be surprised, like on the above I'm recommending you not to start with the full, but here I'm saying now that below that I'm recommending you to go with a slightly high budget, because for the first 2 weeks we need data. We want Google and as well as ourselves to understand what's working well for us and for our clients. So we are going with for the data, we are going with a full throttle to see what's working well for us, what is going to, which location, which country, which ad copy, which target, which city, which area, which time zone is working well for us. And then, after 2 weeks, you need to strategize and come up with another strategy. In case if you ask me the bidding strategy, I recommend you to go with Maximise CPC. Okay, once you see okay, now after 2 weeks, in case if you got conversions, you got the data on what's working. But in case if you didn't got conversions, then it's going to be another long story on what to do. But let's say in case if you got conversions, then we have to change the bidding strategy. We can move to maximize conversions. We can create a new retargeting campaign. We can look on the keywords. We can even try on bid impression share strategy to see if any ad positions makes a difference, like getting yourself on the top or getting yourself on the bottom. Does it make any difference in the sales? We can try it out. We have to try it out, the strategy. So for the first 2 months, spending full budget is going to be a tough question, because now after seeing the data, we have to see the data as well. So unless you are ready and prepared to get all the data, you can start. Okay, yeah, you can start with the full budget theory as well. Yeah, we can start with a full budget as well. Okay, but that is why we are doing is to get the data on what's working well for us, what is going to where areas we are going to get the messages. And after a month, we can shift to the lower budget, because we have now got some data on what's working well, and now we have to look on new opportunities, and then we can work on those and expand and get more data and eventually raise our budgets. So yeah, we can apply this strategy as well. I hope you like it. In case if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box. And in case if you are looking for Google ads, Facebook ads, management or SEO services, you are more than welcome to hire us. The details are in the description of this video. Once again, thank you for watching this video, and bye bye.